It's amazing quality. Although it has got that sort of robot, I don't want that sending CQ for some reason on the display as well now. Hopefully that's okay. I didn't reset this radio when I got it, so there might be strange parameters set up from the previous owner. But yeah, it's amazing quality actually. It's better than Sliding was. So you're well over the 9 on with preamp hinge on G3YPZ G4HTZ North Essex. Yeah, it's totally solid for me. There's no flutter at all, or nothing obvious. So it's more like a solid FM signal, but sounding a bit robotic. But yes, quite good actually. I don't think I've ever used DV mode before either. Yeah, okay, John. Yeah. So when I don't know if you get this, or it's when I switch over, it says it scrolls across where the frequency is. You are CQ. So I'm guessing that's how the other guy had it set up. Not too sure. Yeah, that sounds really good. To be honest, it sounds better than I was expecting. Yeah, that's correct. That sounds totally noise-free. Nothing used it before. I did try the filtering, but I'm guessing that doesn't actually make any difference. didn't seem to. So yeah, it's quite impressed really. Yeah, like you, I don't really. I don't use repeaters. There's quite a few around this way. Just up the road, G4HTZ and EA, it's a 6-meter one. Mentorship up that way. But I got the one at Cambridge as well. There's a whole host of repeaters over at Cambridge and on what's it, 2-meter one, isn't it? I forget the others, but they've got a 6-meter one up there as well. But there's also the 23.7 one over this way. I think if the other side of Cambridge, on the parkway, it's about 25 miles from here, and it's very, very strong. But once again, you never hear anybody using it. That's there you go. Yeah, quickly try AM, John, before we go. G3YPZ G4HTZ. I don't know what the audio is up. When the mic came up, I'm assuming the 9700 is a bit like the 7300. I've still got the 7300 by the way, John. I haven't got rid of that yet. But hopefully it's okay with you on AM over. Yeah, that's right. You can pull RF power, I think it's about 16 watts, isn't it, roughly, on the carrier. I've ramped my phone up to 100, which I normally do on the 7300. Yeah, you're in the next day, I'll switch the market. Yeah, what you got? Yeah, you're reading about less than 1 with just the 9700 preamp in circuit. The external one, which is up on the market, does make a big difference. And it's not just boosting the signal, it's actually it's not just boosting the it's actually a stronger signal. So just switch it back on here when you come back. So copy me down S1 or 2, John, over. Yeah, give that a try as well. Well, your S9 with me, it's no flutter at all on you, and I'm not losing into the noise or anything on AM, so okay, I'm going to go over to that camera. Yeah, roger, John. Yeah, that's the best of all. I know you're an AM fan, but that's the best of all out of all of the modes, quieting-wise, over. Yeah, roger. So you're peaking about 10 over 9 with me, with the masthead in. But yeah, so you're very nice. Let's just switch the. I didn't realise you could do this. You can actually go into the menus while you're actually transmitting. So I switched the masthead preamp out, so we'll see what strength you are when you come back on FM, over. Yeah, well, I'm getting the same flutter on you when you first came back. He's up to about an S7, and then you dropped back to about an S3 to 4, but a lot of multi-path at the moment, over. It's the ICOM SM30 desktop microphone. Picked up with the 7300, I believe, over. Okay, I've switched off the little switch on the bottom. Yeah, I'm probably speaking too close to it because I'm actually using it as a handheld, even though it's a desktop microphone. I'll turn the little switch off on the bottom. I don't know if it's made any difference. Okay, yep, this is about a foot away from the microphone. It's put on the desk. It's a desk microphone. Right, this is sitting in front of the radio. I'm about 1 foot away from the microphone, over. Okay, John, yeah, picking up to about a S3. I haven't got the external print pin. Alright, it's in now. Yep, so up to about S3 now, over. Alright, I just realised I've got the mic gain turned right up. Right, you can do it. Wasn't sure if you could actually turn it down while you're transmitting. So I've got the mic going down to about 50% now, John, over. Okay, to the compression about 8, over. Okay, I'll just... Hold a minute, let's go onto the mic gain. I need an extra hand. Okay, I've done the same. The mic gain's on 60 and the compression's on 8, over. Yeah, okay, John. Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, so I've got the obviously on full power. Mic gain 60, compression on about 8. So yeah, I'm not sure what transmit bandwidth you use on transmit. I'm using filter 2 at the present time. Over. Yeah, I'm sure when you go into filter 3, it's I'm not too sure if they're only receive filters. I'm just trying to find my way around the menu. Because the transmit bandwidth is done on menu 1 on the function. So I'm transmitting on transmit bandwidth wide at the moment. That's transmit bandwidth mid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's transmit bandwidth narrow. So you actually have to get, I think those filters are for the receive. May be wrong on that. But so transmit bandwidth narrow, wide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to medium, over. Yeah, roger. Okay. Yeah, I've gone back to wide. Yeah, because I think you can go into another menu and set up your audio preference, can't you? And play around with it. But it's a lot easier on ICOM rigs. I used to have the FT710 at one point, and that was a nightmare. Yeah, the amount of settings it had for EQ settings and what have you. But I guess once you got it set up okay, it was alright, but I think Tim, MFJ, had one as well, and I think he got rid of it for the same reason. But, okay, this is on the... Yeah, I'm sure the FL on the front is just for the receive, but it didn't actually seem to make any difference when you were transmitting, over.